Good day and welcome to today's interesting lesson on spelling and speaking. The topic is forming antonyms from prefix and suffix. Can you read out the lesson objectives? One is to explain antonym, prefix and suffix. Thereafter, discuss tips for forming opposites of words. Then use suffix or prefix in forming opposites of words. Finally, write a spelling test on the topic. Read them again. Explain antonym, prefix and suffix. Discuss tips for forming opposites of words. Use suffix or prefix in forming opposites of words. Then write a spelling test on the topic. That is great. Okay, let us begin this way. Use your intuition and complete the sentences sensibly. Intuition here means your general knowledge of English. Number 1. If John is not present, it means he is dash. Number 2. The boy lies a lot, so he hates. Number 3. Instead of encouraging his children, Mr. Smith made them dash with a threat. Number 4. We're told that while countable nouns can be quantified, dash nouns cannot. What are your answers? Number 1. If John is not present, it means he is absent. Absent. Number 2. The boy lies a lot, so he hates truth. Instead of encouraging his children, Mr. Smith made them discouraged with a threat. We were told that while countable nouns can be quantified, uncountable nouns cannot. What comes to your mind here? We have used the opposites of some words. For example, present here gives us absent. Lies here gives us truth. Encouraging here gives us discouraged. Countable here gives us uncountable. Thank you. Let us look at the key words from the lesson. One of them is antonym. Antonym, the other is prefix, and another suffix. So what is an antonym? A word that is opposite in meaning to another. Words that have opposite meanings are antonyms. For example, you have good, bad, prefix, suffix, grateful, ungrateful. Next is prefix. Pre means before, fix means add. So prefix is a letter or group of letters added before a root. Root here means the main word. Look at these examples. You have legal, then here is the prefix. Legal is the main word, it becomes illegal. You have written, and here you have an, it becomes unwritten. So an is the prefix, written is the root. The next is suffix. Suffix means after, so it is a group of letter. It is a letter or group of letters added after a root word. Examples are help, to helpless, use, to useless. How do words form opposites? How do words form opposites? 1. By changing the given word entirely. That is, you change the given word completely. Next is by adding prefixes, then suffixes. We have just discussed them, so you know what they are. Just call out these words and their opposites. Before we do that, I want to say something. When you are looking for the opposite of a word, you consider the part of speech to which the given word belongs. Apart from part of speech, you consider the tense if it is a verb. Part of speech and tense. Okay, let us call them out. Now we are considering words that have changed completely to form opposites. Number 1. Call them with me. About, exactly. Above, below, allow, forbid, already, not yet, approximately, exactly, argue, agree, arrest, free, arrival, departure, arrive, depart, artificial, natural, ascent, descent, ask, answer, asleep, awake, attack, defend, body, so. Complicated, simple, compliment, insult, day, night, dead, alive, death, breath, deep, shallow, defeat, victory, defense, attack, defend, attack. I have to explain something here. Defense here is a noun. The opposite is attack. Defend here is a verb. The opposite is to attack. Elementary, advanced. Immigrate, immigrate, or emigrate, immigrate. Immigration, immigration. Empty, full. Fix, break. Flat, hilly. Floor, ceiling. We are still on words that change their forms completely to form the opposite. Evening, morning. Everybody, nobody. Everything, nothing. Exactly, approximately. Excited, calm. Exciting, boring. To exclude, to include. Exit, entrance. Expensive, cheap. Export, import. To include, to exclude. To increase, to reduce. Innocent, guilty. Inside, outside. Insult, compliment. Intelligent, silly or stupid. Intentional, accidental. Interested, bold. Interesting, boring, dull. To interrupt, to continue. Some of the words that take prefix to form opposites include, can you call them with me? Complete, incomplete, convenient, inconvenient, credible, incredible, effective, ineffective, efficient, inefficient, formal, informal, visible, invisible, ability, inability, active, inactive, kind, unkind, common, uncommon, fit, unfit, fortunate, unfortunate, controlled, uncontrolled, pleasant, unpleasant, popular, unpopular, wise, unwise. Now, words and opposites using suffixes. 1. Fruit to fruitless, end, endless, fear, fearless, brain, brainless, job, jobless, pitiful, pitiless, manner, mannerless, value, valueless, worth, worthless, shameful, shameless, trouble, trouble-free, careful, carefree, or careless. The activity part of the lesson. Follow the links provided for activities on the topic. Choose 3 of the links. Answer, screenshot your scores and submit on the class dojo. 3 of the links. When you're done answering, screenshot your answers and submit to me on the class dojo. These are the links you have to use for the activity. I will post them on the class dojo where you can easily copy.